Hello guys, I'm come back again. Today we're gonna review about the Marion American pocket watches. The Marion company was produced a lot of watches between 1866 to 1874. The company ceased their productions in 1874 because of financial struggling. So that's why the values of a Marion watch is getting high, and a lot of collectors trying to have one of them in their collections. Marion watch company intended to produce a lot of high movement quality. The dial is featuring with a Roman marker. You can see like this Roman marker, and the hands is onyx hands. Because during that time, this is almost like a trending for this dial set. The movement is designed very precise. All the movements was hand assembly. Many of this was designed as a key wind and key set movement, which very common during that time too. So about the key wind, key set that we can look on the back here. There's the winding. There's a winding gear. So you can use a key to wind up the watch, but in the front here, you can see here that you can insert the key right here to adjust the time. That is the key wind, key set configurations. Since Marion watches were produced only 8 years, they are relatively rare compared to other American watchmakers at the same time, such as Elgin, Waltham, Hamilton, Illinois, and Elgin. This is make the Marion is highly desirable to collectors, and because of the precise and high grade movement produced, that's make the time speed is still running until these days. You can see with this dial here, it's almost the perfect dial for the watches over 100 years old. Now we can look at the movement. You can see the movement here. One of the key to recognize this Marion design, which is the butterfly cut on the plate. The other American pocket watches, when they produce or design the movement, they all full plates, except this guy's. It has a cut, a butterfly cut on the movement, and that is the size easily to tell is a Marion. The Marion watch company was part of a wave of American watchmaking companies that emerged in the late or mid 1800s as American horology sought to compete with Swedes and British watchmakers. Although the company will struggle with financial, so that's why it's our business. But all the watches made by Marion is still remain the valuable to American evolution of time keeping. This is still running. It is still running. I don't have a key to wire it up right now, but I was tested a few days ago and wired it up, and it's running pretty good. So if you try to collect one of these, you need to make sure that the dial is in good condition. There's no hairline, no scratches, or no chip on the dial because it's a ceramic dial. And the case is look very sturdy. It's not warping. All the hinges down here is not broken. Same thing on the back. No dings or dents on the back case. And this case is the 3 ounce of coin silver. So this pretty good piece of collections pocket watches. That is the key to look for when you try to add it into your collections. Because with this nowadays, if you do a cleaning only, some watch repair probably charge you maybe about $100 to $150 just for the cleaning, not including with adjustment or a parts repair. Adjustment and part repairs is gonna add up on top of the cleaning fees. So I hope that this is gonna help you to understand a bit about American antique pocket watches. And I'll come back for some more review on the watch that I have. But today, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and share my video to your friends, so we can save the American pocket watches history. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.